Okay, third in a row. We wanted 4 commons, and cube 1 was 1 common. Cube 2 was another common. We have 2 left. Think we're going to pull 2 more commons? Think maybe we'll get a different rarity. I wonder. All right. Think really... I choose?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there's not one hanging off the bottom like that. We have an even amount of 18. So I'm going to go... You know something? I'm doing this one. You know why? Because this is number 7. And on Monday, you turn 7.
Yeah.
So, that's it.
Maybe when we do one on Monday, we could choose
Scoot over a little bit. Okay. Oh boy, I'm nervous. What's it gonna be?
Oh, ow.
Oh! Oh! So now we can take him out of the package. Yes. All right.
I told you in the last video, this is what I wanted.
Okay. Here we go. Ready?
Yeah. Did you see that laugh?
Yep.
I like play on the block.
Looks like we have a similar situation with this as we did with the other one. Okay. But it's okay. He's coming now.
Can I walk him?
Yeah. Here he comes. Let's watch him. Yes! Turn around so we can see him. Yeah, now it'd make him do a jump.
He kind of sounds like a man.
Yeah. Yeah. What about when you're doing this? Like, I love when they spin jump. Man, look at those eyes. He looks so cool. You know, like he looks really mean, like this, you know, because he's a skeleton. He's Skeletor, so he looks really mean. But he's also tiny, so he's kind of cute. You know, like you're not that scary. Look, you're so little. You're like a baby. What are you trying to do? That's to walk versus run. See, now he's walking, and then Tab makes him run. W. What are you trying to do?
Oh, there.
There you go. Yeah! Cool, cool. All right. Well, there we go.
Okay, there we go.
All right, Skeletor. We'll see you later.
Yeah, we cannot let you trying to destroy Man-at-Arms and make us not be able to get him.
That's right. All right, there he is. There's cool Skeletor walking around on the block. And we have 17 more cubes coming at you. And we'll see you soon.